Good morning, guys.
Hey.
It's 4 o'clock in the morning. We're on our way to
Stow, Vermont.
So it's a 9-hour drive. We're going to get there late. Hopefully we'll make it and we won't get too tired and stop somewhere along the way, but we'll keep you informed. So off we go.
Catch you later. So finally there's a little bit of light and we can see around us, and it turns out we're driving in the Pocono Mountains, and it's quite nice as far as we can see. Let's see if the camera can see anything. What do you think about this road?
It's nice now that it's a little light. I was driving in darkness and it sucked. This is beautiful. Excuse me, guys. I was eating pumpkin seeds. But there's still a little bit of leaves on the trees and it is just gorgeous.
Yeah, it is.
It's good to be close to home again. I'm not saying Florida doesn't have its attributes, but this is so pretty. Hey guys, we made it all the way to Vermont.
There's the sign.
So we've gone from Florida to Vermont. We're covering most of the eastern seaboard. So that's it. We're in Vermont. Good morning, guys. Well, we had an okay night's sleep. We're at the Gray Fox Inn. It's a really nice hotel. The room is really clean, but the pillows were like rocks. And we brought our own. We should have brought them in last night. It was terrible. But we did get enough sleep. We went to their gym, which was kind of nice, private. Nobody else was there. And now we are headed to check out Stow, Vermont. We are about to get the best cup of coffee. Well, we're at our special place to get a great cup of coffee, and our surprise is to Jorden and Kaylee. We couldn't follow you and find your average Joe coffee out there because we had already made plans to take a trip. We're from Florida, so instead of finding your coffee, we decided to find your coffee shop. So surprise, thank you. We've been watching you since the beginning, and us,
yeah,
you're the one who found the channel.
We love your channel, it's awesome, and we're here to check out your coffee. What do you think about our coffee?
It was awesome coffee. Usually I want to throw in sugar and sweetened creams when I have coffee at a coffee place, but not here. This was awesome. Thank you for turning me on to your coffee, Jorden and Kaylee.
First crack, then stayed there, developing for more time, and now enter the second crack. We have this nice copper color. But actually, acidity is an attribute of coffee itself. And when you learn how to appreciate it, it's a tingling sensation. It makes you salivate. It makes you want to have more. It's not dry. So that is actually a positive attribute in coffee. So I think it's very important for people to understand that it's actually a very sought after attribute among the people that like specialty coffee or higher end, higher level coffee.
Hey guys, well, we're leaving Vermont. We stopped back at the Rostery so we could say hi to Arturo and taste the most delicious coffee similar to what Jorden and Kaylee and Sadie are placing all over the country. Your coffee shop is amazing. And for our viewers, if you're in Vermont, Stow, Vermont, the Rostery.
Yeah, go check it out. It's really, really good.
That's the ghost in the background. Anyway, Oz and I are signing out so we can head and get an oil change. We have done a lot of mileage.
How many?
We did 1,560.8.
That is a lot of mileage.
Yes. And that's only halfway through our trip.
All right. Catch you later.
Bye.